Good morning, everybody. Down here, Adventure Bay, Bruny Island, just sitting on the lovely banks of, standing on the lovely banks of Captain Cook Creek. I'm fishing with a Shimano Stradic 1000 FL with a Shimano Jewel 1 to 4 kilo, and the lure I'm using is a little Bass Day sugar minnow. I'm not actually going to fish here for very long. We're actually going to head up to the jetty on the other side of the bay and fish for some salmon and barracuda and wrasse and stuff like that, but I'll just come for a quick flick here first. I actually got a brim just up from here in this system yesterday on this lure. Oh, wonder if you saw that on camera. Well, I mean, we got one. First cast, no trouble at all. Oh, this is going to be fun. God. Treble hook could be in the finger very easily, so you have to try and subdue them. That's a little cocky salmon, or I'll pick him up and show you. Little cocky or baby Australian salmon. He's tiny. Chuck him back. We're actually using those sort of salmon and stuff yesterday for bait off the jetty. Couldn't film because it was way too dark, but we got a few like little draft board and barracuda and stuff like that, so hopefully we'll get onto a few more of them. But yeah, see you when we're at the jetty. Oh, I'm on.
We're on.
It's a wrasse, I bet ya.
Oh, box. We're using it as bait though.
Yeah.
We got a wrasse.
Oh, there you go. That's that on that little cranker.
One's teensy.
Yep. Oh, mine's smaller.
Jeez, they just get smaller and smaller, eh?
I reckon this is one of the smallest ones I've ever seen down here. Look at him. He is absolutely minuscule. He'd be a good live bait. He's not going to eat a cranker. He won't eat a cranker, I promise. He'll be able to fit this bloody treble hook in his beak. Oh, he's going for it. Oh, yes, please.
Did you put the cranker back on?
No, it's a treble. I got it.
It was literally my thing.
It wasn't going to eat a cranker crab. No. Oh. It's actually a lovely little leather jacket, that is. Leave it, let it sit. Don't move it. Oh, he's actually a lovely leather jacket. Yeah. Where's the pliers?
They're down there. On the thing.
Oh, on the pole. Did he eat it?